During the narrow window of summer, over 50,000 bikers from all over the world make their way to Ladakh. They come for the snow-capped peaks, pristine lakes, and ancient monasteries. But they aren't prepared for the rugged terrain, high altitude, and remote locations. To compound matters, most bikers rent bikes locally and ride out without first aid kits. So in case of mishaps, providing timely assistance proves to be a challenge. As a leading manufacturer of adventure bikes, Hero Motocorp decided to address this issue through a solution rooted in culture. India is a land of faith. In the mountainous regions of the country, Tibetan prayer flags are icons of faith. They are often tied by bikers to their handlebars as good luck charms to keep them safe. We converted these auspicious symbols of safety into ingenious first aid kits. Hero Motocorp's prayers for safety flags were created with waterproof pouches containing essential first aid items, waterproof bandages, povidone ointment, antiseptic jumbo bandages, cotton gauze, and paracetamol tablets. We collaborated with bikes rental stores to equip their bikes with these kits. We also distributed them at Hero Motocorp dealerships in the region.
लेह लद्दाख जो है बहुत सारे हाई passes से जुड़े हुए हैं आपको ये जो प्रोडक्ट है बहुत कम आएगा तो आई थिंक इट इज अ वेरी गुड इनिशिएटिव
In this climatic condition, if the wounds and the scratches are not taken care of timely with the dressings and proper antiseptic application, this can get infected. So these flags are really very good. This will be very helpful.
We only think of first aid kits when we need them. These kits are ever present, and that's what makes them truly auspicious.
Hero Motocorp is ensuring that whenever bikers ride to seek adventure, safety rides along.